Not, my lord, a state's decision. Here, my lord, the state
This
has
is
taken.
where the question is, why will the state poke its nose in every affair? Not required? If
All are not same.
HMC says,
All are not same.
if HMC says it was not required for the 20, it was not required for the rest also.
Right.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
My lord, a submission was made that they were granted the benefits from the date of initial appointment. Now, my lord, we have checked up, my lord, for my lord, appointment of these 20 persons. Files were never sent to the Urban Development Department. So far as the first stage is concerned. So far as the second stage is concerned, that is during the pension fixation and all, second time also, my lord, it was not sent to the UDMA. Or in other words, my lord, for their appointment and for their pension purposes, my lord, the UDMA was not involved, or my lord, they were not, their involvement was not sought for by the HMC. HMC had done it on their own. This is my
Then
instance.
payment is being made, isn't it?
Yes.
But if the petitioners also stand in the same footing, why will the petitioner not be paid?
That was not a, my lord, state's decision or a department's decision.
The payment is being made by the government.
No, that is only DPPG. DPPG.
It's an instrumentality of the government.
Please consider one
itself.
thing, my lord. It is not a conscious decision of the government.
Is the government consciously taking a decision to revoke whatever has been granted in favor of those 20?
My lord, if required, we'll take that.
Please do.
Yes.
Only
Please
one,
do.
Yes.
our report is there, my lord. Regarding that,
that.
my lord will get a clear picture of this. My lord, I am placing just para 9, my lord. If your lordship takes the para 9.
Please circulate, because
Yes, always. Para 9, my lord, if your lordship goes this, my lord will be clear.
Yes.
Para 9 says, my lord, may I read, my lord? It may further be stated that the Controller of Finance is the pension sanctioning authority for the employees of HMC, and the process flow maintained for finalization of pension cases at HMC is as follows. A, service files of employees are maintained by the personnel department, and after due verification of service records, files of the retiring employees are sent to the internal audit department of HMC to obtain audit clearance. B, on obtaining audit clearance from internal audit department HMC, the personnel department of HMC sends the pension files to the office of PSA, Pension Sanctioning Authority, for sanctioning of pension. After sanctioning of pension, C, the file is sent to the DPPG, West Bengal, by PSA for issuing PPO in favor of the retiring employees. And D, after receiving PPO from DPPG West Bengal, pension payment is commenced after due identification of the pensioner. And next paragraph 10, it is pertinent to mention that the administrative department UD and MA is not involved in any decision making process for the sanction of pension of employees of HMC, if not otherwise referred by HMC. It is mentioned that necessary data of all such 106 employees who were earlier engaged in CUDP 3 and later absorbed in HMC, including these 20 numbers employees, was already sent by HMC to a UD and MA department as per Annexure 4. However, no ratification was sought before sanctioning of pension of these 20 employees, as that was not necessary in usual course of action for sanctioning of pension and neither required under law.
Yes.
Finally, I am to submit that HMC assures to promptly take all possible remedial steps and shall also try to ensure that such mistakes are not repeated in future.
Now, my lord, here, my lord,
whatever is the mistake, no mistake. If 20 have been given, why will they not be given? And
But
if 20 were not ratified, not required to be
yes,
ratified,
under the law, my lord,
why have you sent it to the
senior friends
UDMA
has to
department
satisfy to your
and
lordship that ratification
delay
is
the whole
necessary.
thing?
My lord,
That is not necessary, my lord. The DPPG is within the finance department. That has
Maybe,
been granted,
but
approved. They are getting
so far
that.
as mistake is committed by the asked file HMC authorities at that point of time, if a wrong is committed, I am asking myself, madam, a second wrong may be committed by the...
Where from he is
Should
getting
not
that
be.
a wrong
And
is
if you
being
say that it is a wrong, then you need to recorrect whatever is there.
We are taking. That
Taking
is a
steps.
para 8, my lord. In case of these 20 employees, the corporation may take all possible remedial steps.
May take all possible.
means shall, my lord.
Question mark.
I will. If your lordship directs me,
I will not direct.
I will not. My lord need not direct, but my lord may give me some time. Already taken. Steps have been taken, my lord.
Mr.
That I can show that before today, Steps have been taken.
Satisfied from this report itself. Mr. Banerjee cannot blow hot and cold at the same time. He is saying, as per the law, this ratification is not at all necessary. That's why the data flow reflects that, yes, the HMC sent it to the DPPG. DPPG is within the finance department of government of West Bengal. They have approved it, sanctioned it, and thereafter he is saying, yes, if the mistake is there, I am going to rectify. Where from the mistake is coming?
Learned AG, the
Mr. Dotto is here.
whatever is
One
the
thing may I
query
say?
of the court, and the concern is there should not be any discrimination.
But let
Nothing else.
HMC take remedial steps.
We have already
Well,
taken.
so far as I am concerned, Millard, what I have said, Millard, seems to be ratified by HMC also.
I have already taken
That
steps.
UDMA was not involved. Now, if they want to take remedial steps, they may take.
That is up to them.
Yes.
But then, as long as I can see that 20 of the same group, same set of appointments, given the benefit, then the rest
But Millard,
cannot
the
be denied.
previous one was not, Millard, a state's decision. Here, Millard, the state
This
has
is
taken.
where the question is, why will the state poke its nose in every affair? Not required? If
All are not
HMC
same.
says,
All are not same.
if HMC says it was not required for the 20, it was not required for the rest also.
Right. That's what I'm saying that. Therefore, Millard, what my learned friend is contending today before the court, that the state is not taking steps or the state is inactive. Possibly my learned friend is wrong on that. Because HMC at last have come up and taken the burden on them.
And
Whether it's a mistake, right, wrong, whatever, it was done by them.
And 20 are not engineers.
It's not,
8 numbers of clerks
it's
are
not
there.
the HMC who has
It is not the
unilaterally taken this
designation
step.
My lord.
important.
Right.
Important is same mode of
My lord.
appointment,
Right.
then regularization. If initially it was given from the first date, why not to the others? This is the thing.
Millard, may I say this, Millard? From our side, Millard, we have shown to your lordship the cabinet decision in respect of the present petitioners and similarly persons. Now, so far as the previous 20 examples that my learned friend cites on behalf of the
Not in the
petitioner,
petition.
let them show that
Everything
there
is
was a-
there.
no, that the
Request the
state had taken a decision.
Yes,
They are concerned with their pension. They are not required to show who took decision when it was taken.
Therefore, Millard, please.
That is not the concern of the
There-
petitioner.
Therefore, Millard, kindly consider, Millard, so far as Millard, we are concerned, state is concerned, since this is a contempt proceeding, Millard, please consider, Millard.
You are the controlling authority of all the municipalities. It is
Yes.
under your department
Definitely, but
that
Millard,
they are
these
functioning.
are bodies who function under statutes.
Certainly. But then if submission is by way of the statutory force or by whatever reason, some benefit has been given to somebody, why will similar benefit not be
Millard,
given to the others?
HMC,
The code, I do
Sir,
not
Dotto
know.
was
I
not
do
there.
not know.
Millard,
Millard,
That
HMC,
one and a
today,
half
Millard, at
years.
last, Millard, HMC,
either
Come-
you take back whatever
We
benefit
have
was
already
wrongly
taken
given.
steps. We have already taken steps.
If you say no, it was properly given to those
No,
20,
We
then
have
give it to
already
these
stated that
people.
it was not properly given, madam.
No, for
Report
so many
suggests that
days,
the report suggests
this was not the submission. It is for
one and a
the
My
first
lord,
time.
let the writ petition be looked through. Let the reliefs of the writ petition be looked through. There cannot be they have never said regarding that. If your
I
lordship sees the writ
I
petition,
do not know. This is a contempt proceeding, and only discrimination issue is being looked into.
contempt
Nothing
proceedings
else.
also in the supplementary affidavit they have claimed that,
Discrimination.
not in the
Whatever. Now, if the Howrah Municipal Corporation takes responsibility, please take. Nothing doing.
responsibility is we have taken responsibility
not
to
know.
cancel the 28
Very conveniently, Milord, from time to time, municipality is taking a different stance.
Let us see.
Last 1.5 years,
that is not the subject matter of the writ petition here, madam,
Please come.
and not the contempt.
The report of the Commissioner, Howrah Municipal Corporation, dated 26th August 2025, filed in court, is taken on record. Stop. Learned advocate representing the Howrah Municipal Corporation submits that the decision to grant pension in respect of 20 employees of the corporation engaged in CUDP-Roman 3 from their initial date of joining was incorrect. Steps are being taken for recovery of the financial benefit already granted in
Right.
their favor. Stop. The The contempt application stands adjourned till 13th November 2025. Stop. Howrah Municipal Corporation shall place an updated report before this court on the adjourned date. Stop. The personal appearance of the Principal Secretary, UDMA Department stands dispensed with for the time being.
Very
Grateful, madam.
I'm grateful.
Record appearance of the AG.
Next matter is also Milord said.
Yes, same order. But then is a separate report being filed? Possibly not.
Separate file for them.
Same report.
If your lordships once, I will file a further report regarding the steps taken.
Yes, that has been mentioned. That an
and my
updated report.
a short affidavit be given by us.
For what?
For regarding this report and everything, I will cover that.
You rectify your stand and file whatever
My lord,
you
my
got. আচ্ছা এখানে না রিপোর্টটা ফাইল হয়নি, the report filed in that will be used over here. Next please.